Have you ever wondered about the multitude of religions that exist in India? Let's embark on a journey to explore this vibrant tapestry of faiths. At the heart of India's religious landscape is Hinduism, a religion steeped in ancient traditions and practices followed by a majority of the population. Islam, with its distinct cultural and architectural influence, is the second largest religion in the country. Christianity, though less prevalent, has left an indelible mark on India's southern regions and beyond. Sikhism, born on Indian soil, preaches equality and service. Its followers, known for their valor and benevolence, can be recognized by their distinctive turbans. Buddhism, with its roots in India, has a smaller but significant presence, especially in the northeastern states. Jainism, another religion that originated in India, emphasizes non-violence and respect for all living beings. These religions coexist, often sharing sacred spaces and celebrations. The spirit of unity is most vivid during festivals. Diwali, the festival of lights celebrated by Hindus. Eid, marking the end of Ramadan for Muslims. Christmas, commemorating the birth of Jesus for Christians. Gurpurab, the birth anniversary of Sikh gurus. Buddha Purnima, celebrating the birth of Buddha. And Mahavir Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Jain Tirthankaras, are all celebrated with equal fervor and respect. In the land of spirituality and philosophy, India, the diversity of religions is a testament to its multicultural fabric. Can you imagine a country where over 1,600 dialects are spoken? Welcome to India, the land of linguistic diversity. Here, language is not just a medium of communication, it's a symbol of culture, identity, and heritage. From the snow-capped Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, every region has its own unique language. Hindi, the most spoken language, resonates in the bustling streets of Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Move towards the east, and you'll be greeted in Bengali, the sweetest of all Indian languages, according to some. In the southern states, languages like Tamil, Kannada, and Telugu reign supreme, each with a distinct script and phonetics. And it's not just about speaking. Each of these languages has a rich literary tradition. Bengali, for instance, boasts the works of Rabindranath Tagore, the first non-European Nobel laureate in literature. Tamil literature, on the other hand, dates back over 2,000 years, featuring works of philosophy, poetry, and more. Then there are the numerous dialects, each adding another layer to this complex linguistic landscape. From the rhythmic Konkani along the western coast to the melodious Assamese in the northeast, these dialects are as diverse as the people themselves. In India, every state has its own language, adding to the colorful linguistic tapestry of the nation. So next time you visit, don't just listen to the words, listen to the stories they tell, the cultures they represent, and the heritage they echo. Why does India stand out among the countries of the world? It's a question worth pondering. The Indian culture, a symphony of vibrant hues, flavors, sounds, and textures, is what sets this country apart. The cuisine is a medley of tastes, each dish telling a tale of different regions, while the traditional clothing, from the elegant saris to the intricate turban styles, speak volumes about its rich heritage. The rhythm of India can be felt in its music, from the soothing melodies of the sitar to the lively beats of the diol. And it's not just the ears that get to feast, the eyes too are treated to a spectacle of dance forms, each narrating a unique story. The art and architecture, ancient yet timeless, are a testament to the country's historical grandeur. But what truly embodies India's charm is the unity in diversity. People from diverse backgrounds, languages, and religions coexist in harmony, making India a living, breathing mosaic of cultures. India's uniqueness lies in its diversity, which is interwoven into its everyday life. What makes India one of the fastest developing countries in the world? Let's embark on a journey through the bustling lanes of India's economic growth. A country where tradition meets innovation, India is harnessing the power of technology to fuel its development. From the establishment of tech hubs in cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad to the rise of startups, technology is playing a pivotal role in India's growth story. But the narrative doesn't end here. India's infrastructural development is another key player in its odyssey of progress. With colossal projects like highways connecting remote corners of the country and the expansion of metro networks in urban areas, India is building bridges, both literal and metaphorical, to a prosperous future. Yet, like every development story, India's journey too faces its share of turbulence. Poverty, illiteracy, and inequality are some of the challenges that the country grapples with. But India is not a nation to back down from difficulties. With initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, aiming to increase financial inclusion, and the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign, promoting girl-child education, India is taking steadfast steps to overcome these hurdles. So, what makes India one of the fastest developing countries? It's the resilience of its people, the ambition of its leaders, and the relentless spirit of innovation that permeates its landscape. Despite its challenges, India is rapidly evolving, marching steadily towards a brighter future. How does love manifest among the people of India? Let's delve into the vibrant tapestry of affection that weaves the Indian society together. In India, love is a multifaceted emotion, deeply ingrained in the societal fabric. Familial love is the foundation, a bond that is cherished and nurtured from the moment of birth. The family unit is paramount, and it is within this cocoon that individuals first experience the warmth of unconditional love. Romantic love, often depicted in the colorful world of Bollywood, is a passionate dance between two souls. It's a journey of discovery, of sharing dreams and building a life together. It's about finding a partner who complements you, who stands by your side through the highs and lows of life. Love for one's country, or patriotism, is a deeply held sentiment that resonates with every Indian. It's the pride in the country's rich heritage, the appreciation for its diverse cultures, and the hope for its future. It's the feeling that swells in the heart when the national anthem plays, a love that unites millions under the tricolor flag. Indian literature and cinema are rich repositories of these love narratives, reflecting the depth and diversity of this emotion. From ancient epics to modern novels, from classic films to contemporary cinema, love remains a central theme, a mirror of the society it represents. In India, love is an emotion that transcends barriers, binding the nation together. Subscribe Amazing Fact for more interesting topics like you never see before. Stay tuned.